Once, in a world where machines had feelings, a computer kept sneezing. "Achoo!" it exclaimed, startling the nearby gadgets. "Why are you sneezing?" asked a curious toaster. "I have a virus," and the computer replied, its circuits flickering. The toaster, wise beyond its wires, said, "You need a reboot, a fresh start." Inspired, the computer decided to cleanse its system. With a deep digital breath, it rebooted, shedding the virus. "I feel brand new," it cheered, its screen glowing brightly. The gadget celebrated, realizing that even machines need a reset sometimes. "A fresh start is all it takes."